YouTube is always telling you that you should watch this video and that video, but it never tells you how you watch those videos. So today in this video, we're going to talk about how you watch the videos on YouTube and how can you get the most out of YouTube in 2024. So as you see here, there is a section where people watch the most. So you watch those peaks and you see if this video is for you. The second thing that you would do is that if you like the video, then now you're gonna go to 2x speed. So why do I suggest to watch it on 2x speed or 1.5 speed? It's because you save a lot of time. And when you save a lot of time, you're gonna be able to watch more videos. Plus, at the beginning, it's gonna be a little bit hard. So maybe at the first or at the start, you start with 1.25 and then 1.50 and then go up. At the beginning, I was not able to understand anything, but when I start doing it gradually, I start to feel the one speed is really slow for me. I don't do it for every single video because if I want to enjoy the video, I'm not gonna do that. But if it's something educational, I want to get information as soon as possible, then I use the 2x. But number 3, the comments section. A lot of people write the summary of the video, and by reading the summary, you understand the basic idea of the video. And if it's for you, then it's for you.